Good morning, children. Yesterday we discussed lines and angles. What are the angles, type of angles, and pair of angles also we discussed. So today some more problems on those concepts. Listen carefully. Exercise now 4.2. So 4.2, fourth problem. Here xy and mn, two lines are intersecting at O. Here xy and mn, those two lines are intersecting at O. PO is perpendicular to xy. Angle POY equals to 90 degrees. POY 90 degrees. And what is given here? A is to B equals to 2 is to 3 given. A is to B equals to 2 is to 3. Then find the angles A, B, C. Those angles we have to find. You know how to find. Solution. Here what is given here? A is to B. A is to B equals to 2 is to 3. A is to B equals to 2 is to 3. So here and angle POY equals to 90 is given. Then here A plus B equals sum of terms of ratio. Terms of ratio is equals to 2 plus 3 equals to 5. Sum of terms of ratio equals to 2 plus 3 equals to 5. Then and here A is POY. POY is equals to 90 given. So here PCX also. Then angle PCX equals to 90 degrees. That means A plus B equals to 90 degrees. Here POY is equal to 90 degrees means POX also 90 degrees. This is the perpendicular. This is a linear pair. Sum of two adjacent angles is equals to 100 degrees. A ray stand on the line. Therefore here they form adjacent angles. Those are the 90 degrees each one. Then here we want A. A is equals to total here 2. A is equals to 2 and total terms 5 into 90. 5 on the 5 8 in the 36 degrees. A 30. And B. B equals to B ratio 3. 3 by 5 into 90. 5 on the 5 8 in the 18 is the 54. A completed, B completed. Now come to we have to find C. How to find C? C from here to here. This is also one linear pair. Linear pair. This is the straight line. XC ray stands on the line. Therefore, here from linear pair. Linear pair means sum of two adjacent angles equals to 90 degrees. This is the straight line. On the straight line, a ray stand. Therefore, this is called a linear pair. So here B plus C is equals to 180. B plus C equals to 180 degrees. Linear pair. Linear pair. But here B equal to how much here? 54. 54 plus C equals to 180. Then C equals to 54 sent to right side. Left side quantity goes to right side. It becomes subtraction. 180 minus 54. C equals to 126. Therefore, A equals to 36 degrees, B equals to 54 degrees, C equals to 126 degrees. This is the first problem completed. Next, second problem. Here, fifth problem. See here, PQR is equals to PRQ in the recent figure. PQR is equals to PRQ means these two angles are equal given. Then show that PQS is equals to PRT. These two angles are equal, that we have to prove. Now see here. PQS, PQR. PQS, PQR. This is also linear pair. sum of two adjacent angles. So the ray stands on the line. So these two angles are linear pair. So this is linear pair. Here solution here given that angle PQR is equals to angle PRQ. PQR is equals to here. Here angle PQS plus angle PQR is equals to 180 degrees. Linear pair. Same as here also. And this is the one. This side PRQ plus PRT. Angle PRQ plus angle PRT. PRT equals to here also 180. This is also linear pair. So from 1 and 2, right sides are equal. Therefore left side also equal. These two are 180 degrees. So right sides are equal, left side equal. From 1 and 2 we get, from 1 and 2 we get angle PQS plus angle PQR is equals to angle PRQ plus angle PRT. But what is given that here? PQR is equal to PRT. PQR is equal to PRT. PQR, PRT, these two are equal. Suppose these two angles equal means this is the 60 degrees. Suppose this is 60. Here are 60. Here 60. Here 60. 60 side right side. Those two cancel. So here PQR and PRQ. These two are cancelled. PQR, PRQ. These two cancel. What are remaining? Therefore, angle PQS is equals to angle PRT. Now, exercise 4.3. In 4.2 problems, I explained two problems. Remaining two problems you should do at home. Now, exercise 4.3. Here, AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD. These two lines are parallel, and EF perpendicular to CD. EF perpendicular to CD. So this is EF perpendicular to also AB also. And GED. GED. From here to here, this angle is equal to 126 given. Then find AGE, this angle, and GEF, this angle, and FGB, FGE, this angle. These three angles will have to find 1, 2, 3. These three angles will have to find. Here why? Because here 90, here also 90. Now see here solution. Here AB parallel to CD. About transversal, yesterday we discussed transversal and angles. So AB parallel to CD, and G is a transversal, and G is a transversal. If transversal, two lines are parallel, then here these two angles are called alternate interior angles. What are the alternate interior angles? This angle and this angle. These two angles are called alternate interior angles. Those are equal. If lines are parallel, alternate interior angles are equal. Therefore, here, angle AGE is equals to angle GED. AGE is equals to GED. But GED is equal to how much here? 126. Here. But angle right here, alternate interior angles. But angle GED is equals to 126. Therefore, angle AGE is equals to 120 degrees. This is the first one completed. AGE completed. Now we have to find GEF. See here. From here to here, see angle. Second one. This is the first one. Angle GED. GED is equals to GED I divide into two parts. GEF and FED. angle GEF plus angle FED. See, GEF FED. GED divided into two parts. GEF FED. So here GED is equals to how much given? GED is equals to 126 is equals to 126. Then GF angle GEF plus FED. FED is equals to here. This is a perpendicular symbol. Means here 90 degrees. So FED is equals to here 90 degrees. FED is equals to 126. Here FED equals to 90 degrees. So 90 cent right side. Angle GEF is equals to 126. This plus quantity goes to the side, minus quantity become minus, is equals to 36 degrees. This is the second answer. GF is equals to 96 completed. Next one more we have to find. What is it? FGE. This answer we have to find. So here this is how much came here? AG is equals to 160 came. 126 plus FGE is equals to 180 degrees. Why? This is the linear pair. Here angle, third one, angle AGE plus angle FGE equals to 180 degrees because this is the linear pair. Here AG is equals to how much came here? AG is equals to 126. 126 plus FGE, angle FGE equals to 180 degrees. Same on right side. Angle FGE equals to 180 minus 126 equals to 54. This is the third answer. Okay. Next we come to next question, sixth question here. Find the values of A and B. Here P parallel to Q and R parallel to S. P, Q, these two are parallel and these two lines also parallel. Then what are the angles given here? Here 2A given, here 80 given, here B given. So I have to find A and B. So here these two lines are parallel. Here P parallel to Q, comma, R is a transversal. Then these two angles are called corresponding angles. Those two angles also equal. So 2A is equals to 80. Therefore 2A is equals to 80. Why? Those two are corresponding angles. Then A is equals to 80 by 2 to 102, 40 is A equals to 40 degrees. A completed. Next, here these two lines are parallel. This is the transversal, and R parallel to S. These two lines are parallel. Q is a transversal. Here, see here, AT and B. These two angles are same side on the transversal. Interior angles on the same side of transversal. Therefore, 80 plus B is equals to 180. Why? Those two are called co-interior angles. And then right side, B is equals to 180 minus 80. B is equals to 100 degrees. Therefore, A equals to 40 degrees, comma, B equals to 100 degrees. See children, here AB parallel to CD. These two lines are parallel, and APQ is equals to 50 degrees given, and PRD is equals to 127 degrees given. Then find X and Y. Just observe how we can find X value and Y value. See carefully. Now see here, AB parallel to CD. Then PQ is a transversal. AB parallel to CD, PQ is a transversal. So what about these two angles? Those two angles are called alternate interior angles. If already given AB parallel to CD, these two lines are parallel. If two lines are parallel, then alternate interior angles are equal. Therefore, x is equal to 50 degrees. That answer one answer completed here. Here, solution AB parallel to CD. PQ is a transversal. PQ is a transversal. Therefore, x is equal to 50 degrees. Alternate interior angles. First answer completed. Now come to second answer. Why? Why you have to find? Now again, here see AB parallel to CD. Now PR is a transversal. PR is a transversal. Here also this angle and this angle. Let's see, this angle not there yet. Suppose this is not there. From here to here, this angle and this angle. These two angles also same alternate interior angles. Those are equal. Here AB parallel to CD, comma PR is a transversal. PR is a transversal. Therefore, this angle how can I write here? 50 plus y is equals to 127. 50 plus y is equals to 127. It is sent to right side. Plus quantity goes to right side, minus quantity. Then y is equals to 127 minus 50. This equals to how much? 77. Y equals to 77 degrees. Therefore, x is equals to 50 degrees. Y equals to 77 degrees. Next, and come to 19th question. AB parallel to CD given. Find x value. Observe the figure. Here, direct we can't find x value. So we need here one extra work. So draw a line parallel to AB and CD. Draw a line parallel to AB and CD through E. Draw a line parallel to AB and CD through E. That is the EF. Draw a line parallel to AB and CD, EF. Then, now see here, these two lines are parallel. Now, here, this is take A, this one, and this one is the B. Take as B. This angle is A, this angle B. Now, here, AB parallel to EF. AB parallel to EF. AB parallel to EF. Then, AE is a transversal. AE is a transversal. AE is a transversal. Then, here see these two angles, sum of these two angles got 180. Why? Co-interior angles. Interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Interior angles on the same side of the transversal equals to 180. Therefore, here A plus 104 is equals to 180. Those are called co-interior angles. Interior angles. Same as the transversal. So 104 center side. A equals to 180 minus 104 is equals to 76 degrees. A equals to 76. Same as EF. EF parallel to CD. EC is a transversal. EC is a transversal. EC is a transversal. Therefore, here also B plus 116 is equals to 180. Those also co-interior angles. 116 center side. B equals to 180 minus 116 is equals to 50. 64 degrees. Therefore, A equals to 76 degrees, comma B equals to 64 degrees. So these are the concept questions on transversal. See children, now these two concepts, some problems, listen carefully. Find x in the figure ABCD. Here ABC is a triangle and BC produces to a point D. Here found exterior angle. ACD is the exterior angle. What is exterior angle property? Exterior angle is equals to sum of opposite two interior angles. Therefore, here exterior angle is equals to sum of opposite two interior angles. Two interior angles. Therefore, angle ACD is equals to angle A plus angle B. AC is equal to what? X. X is equals to A. A is equals to 50. B is equals to 70 is equals to 120 degrees. Now X completed. Therefore, X is equals to 50 plus 70 is equals to 120. Is the exterior angle property. Now come to here 6th question. Find here also X and Y. How to find X and Y? See here which properties, which concepts we will use here. Here we can't find direct first X. From Y we will find X value. So Y, how we can find Y? Very easy. Observe here. Y plus 140 is equal to how much? 180. Here Y plus 140 is equals to 180. Why? That is the linear pair. Linear pair. On a straight line, a ray turns, then two angles formed. Here those two angles here, adjacent angles. Sum of those two adjacent angles equals to 180 is a straight line. Then 140 send right side plus quantity equals to minus quantity. Then Y equals to 40 degrees. Y completed. Y completed. Now we want X. X how to find? See here. For this triangle, this is triangle. Suppose this is the A, B, C. Here D, here E. Suppose ABC is a triangle. When BA is produced to a point, this is the exterior angle. Exterior angle equals to sum of opposite interior angles. So here X is equals to 30 plus Y. Y exterior angle property. Exterior angle property EAP. Exterior angle property. Here X is equals to 30 RT, right? Y how much we got here? 40. 30 plus 40, 70. This is the Y. Therefore X is equals to 70 degrees and Y equals to 40 degrees. This is the exterior angle property. Next to find Z in this figure. Find Z. ABC is a triangle. AB, AC are produced the two sides. Then find Z is the measure of the angles between the bisectors of exterior angles. So formed here exterior angle. This is exterior angle. This is exterior angle. So here Z how it formed? Exterior angles bisectors. Bisectors of exterior angles. This is the exterior angle. Bisect. This is the bisect. Means these two angles are equal. And this is the exterior angle. AC side is produced. Here formed exterior angle. This exterior angle is bisect. Those two bisectors intersect at. This is the D. Suppose D. It is D here. Then what is the angle of D? That angle we have to find. Now see here, how to find? See, from here to here, from how much this is the straight angle here. This is the straight angle. On the straight angle, sum of all angles is equals to 180 degrees. Here also sum of all angles is equals to 180 degrees. So from this we will find X and from this we will find Y. See here, from solution here, from the figure, X plus 50 is equals to 180. Straight angle. Then 50 sent to right side. X plus X 2x. 2x is equals to 180 minus 50 is equals to 130. Then X is equals to 130 by 2. This is the multiplication quantity goes to right side. Division quantity. So 130 by 2 is equals to 65 degrees. It's completed. Same as now at C. Here 70 plus Y equals to 180. 70 sent to right side. Y by 2y. 2y equals to 180 minus 70. Y equals to 110. 110 by 2 is equals to 55 degrees. Y equal to 55. Now come to angle sum property. In triangle BCD, x plus y plus z is equals to 180. Why? That is the angle sum property, ASP. Angle sum property. Sum of three angles in a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. Therefore, x plus y plus z is equals to 180 degrees. But we got here x is equal to how much? We got 65 and y is equals to 55. In the place of x, substitute 65. In the place of y, substitute 55. Plus z is equals to 180. 55, 65 is equals to 120. 120 plus z is equals to 180. 120 is on right side. Z is equals to 180 minus 120 plus quantity equals to minus quantity. Z is equals to 60 degrees. That we have to find.